Hello everyone and welcome to Room 4's Assembly. Can you remember what this week's article is about? Have a think. That's right, you guessed it. Article 24. The right to good quality healthcare, clean water and nutritious food. Article 24 ensures that every child has the right to the best possible health. Governments must provide good quality healthcare, clean water, nutritious food, and a clean environment and education on health and well-being so that children can stay healthy. Richer countries must also help poorer countries to achieve this. On Monday, Room 11 told you about some of these things in their assembly, and Room 4 are going to continue. So, have a think. What do you need to be healthy? Enough sleep, at least 8 hours, nutritious food, fruits and vegetables, water, at least 1 litre a day, good hygiene, keeping clean, particularly your hands, exercise, a clean environment so that you can feel safe, secure and respected, also healthcare, to be able to see a doctor or a nurse when you need to, and to be vaccinated against diseases. Every child has the right to good quality healthcare. I will now read to you what pupils and staff have said about Article 24. A pupil from the steering group has told me about people who help him to stay healthy. This pupil has said doctors, nurses, dietitians, PE teachers, coaches, physiotherapists and instructors. He has also linked global goals to Article 24. Global Goal 3 is to achieve good health and well-being for all, and Global Goal 6, which ensures availability and sustainable management of clean water and sanitation. Thank you for this great piece of work. Evan has also told me about people who keep him healthy and well. Evan said that his family keep him safe at home and when they go out. He also said that doctors, nurses and paramedics keep him healthy and help in emergencies. Evan said that teachers look after him at school, and these help to keep the area clean where he lives. Evan has also told me about what these people do and why we need them. Evan has also told me about different exercises you can do to keep fit and healthy. Some exercises include walking, swimming, gardening, and also housework. Every child has the right to clean water. I will now read a poem about water by Claire. Water is clear. Water is free. Water is healthy for you and for me. Water is natural for you to drink. We can mix it with juices or even make tea. Water is important for you and for me.
Clean water. Drink water. Food.
Thank you, Claire. Every child has the right to nutritious food. This is a picture of Paige's homemade pizza. Look at this pizza. She has made a healthy pizza using tortilla wraps independently. Thank you, Paige. This looks lovely and healthy. This is another homemade pizza by Oasis. Oasis helped to put the cheese and peppers onto this pizza. The toppings include sweet corn, pepper, cheese and chicken. Looks delicious. Well done, Oasis. Oasis also shared this pizza with his neighbours. Well done. This is Claire's favourite meal, a Sunday roast with homemade roast potatoes and broccoli. Claire said that this plate is healthy because it contains vitamin K and C and is also a good source of calcium and magnesium. This is Linda's healthy plate of nutritious food. Jacky potato with scrambled egg and beans. This is Claire's favourite dinner. Claire said this is her favourite dinner because it is healthy, tasty and light. This meal also consists of protein and vegetables. This is my breakfast blast. I have this in the morning sometimes. It is very filling and healthy. Renee also made a smoothie. What do you think? Is this healthy? Renee said that you can have it as a smoothie bowl by adding blueberries and oats on the top. Yummy! Try making your own smoothie. I have also received some advice on healthy eating from Brooklyn. Guide your family's choices rather than dictate foods. Allow children to have a choice on foods they enjoy. Make a wide variety of healthy foods available in the house. Parents should help children learn how to make healthy food choices. Serve water with meals. Parents should encourage us to eat slowly. A child can detect hunger and fullness better when they eat slowly. Before offering a second helping or serving, ask your child to wait at least 15 minutes to see if they are truly still hungry. This will give the brain time to register fullness. Also, that second helping should be much smaller than the first, and if possible, load that second helping with more veggies. Parents should eat meals together as a family as often as possible. Parents should make meal times pleasant with conversation and sharing, not a time for arguing. If meal times are unpleasant, children may try to eat faster to leave the table as soon as possible. They then may learn to associate eating with stress. Parents should involve children in food shopping and preparing meals. This gives children an opportunity to learn about nutrition. Thank you, Brooklyn. That was some very valuable advice. Thank you very much. You will now hear a poem by Linda about Article 24.
Hello everyone. I've written a poem about Article 24. Every child has the right to good health care, clean water and good food. What do we need to stay healthy, fit and well? Have a think. I'm sure you can tell. Food is important, I know you'll agree. What's your favourite? Share it with me. Fruit and vegetables, rice and pasta too. How many different kinds are there, old and new? Apples, bananas and maybe a pear. Potatoes, carrots and cabbage to share. Don't forget clean water, this is also your right. To drink or to wash in, you shouldn't have to fight. There's lots of information to be found everywhere. Pass it along to others. Show them you care. Thank you.
Thank you for watching and thank you for your contributions. We hope you enjoyed our assembly on Article 24. Take care and stay safe.